Hey guys, this is RTX Meetlug and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove Google Ads from applications and games. Now, this trick would work with most, if not all, of applications and games for Android devices. And this trick would be accomplished using the application, a third-party application known as Lucky Patcher. Now you need to go on the link in the description and watch my second last video to know the basics of Lucky Patcher, and if you want to know how it works, is it safe or not, and how you can download it and install it on an Android device. If you want to know all that, then go on the link in the description, which will take you to my second last video, and from there you will learn all these things. Also guys, this trick won't work with fully online Android games and applications, or those Android games and applications which are server based, and I'll tell you guys why is that so in this video. So first, let me show you guys how a Google ad looks like in an Android game or application. As you can see on your screen right now, this is a screenshot from a very famous Android game available on Play Store known as Temple Run. And as you can see on the top of this screenshot, at the top portion of this screenshot, there is a Google ad. Now this is not the only type of Google ad which you can see in Android games and applications. There are Google ads in the form of videos, also in the form of graphical user interface also. So yeah guys, without wasting any more time, let's get inside the main content of this video. So here's how you do it. First you need to open Lucky Patcher and then select the preferred game or application from which you want to remove Google Ads. As I showed at the starting of this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can remove Google Ads from this game right here, which is Temple Run, a very famous Android game available on Play Store. So as I showed you at the starting of this video, this game has a lot of Google ads in it, pop-up ads and even video ads, sometimes even graphical user interface ads, all of them by Google. So basically you need to select the preferred game or application from which you want to remove Google ads, block Google ads. I'm gonna be selecting Temple Run, and then you need to press on menu of patches, then press on create modified APK file. Now here you need to select APK without Google Ads. Once you have selected that, then you need to select either one of these, offline patch or make fully offline. You can select only one out of these. Now I'm gonna be selecting make fully online, because then that's gonna make this application or game which you have selected completely offline, 100% offline. You won't be able to make in-app purchases. If you are playing a server based game which is 100% online, then you won't be able to play it or use it. But since this is Temple Run, which is not an online game, it's an offline game, it only needs to be online for in-app purchases, which I'm not gonna do. I just simply want to remove Google Ads from it. Then I'm gonna select this option, make fully offline. So just select that and then press on rebuild the app. And then it depends upon the speed of your Android device, the processor in it, how much time it's gonna take. So I'm gonna pause the video until it is completed. Now as you can see, the rebuilding process is completed now. The application or game which you have selected to remove Google Ads from has been patched or hacked, and as you can see, string from ads block list removed. 84 of the ads which are usually popped up, 84 kinds of ads which are usually popped up in Temple Run game are removed completely, and at least one of these patch patterns has to succeed for this patch or hack to be successful. And as we can see, patch pattern N5 is successful, so we can go on further. Now usually this patching or hacking process takes about a couple of minutes on most of the Android devices. It can take more depending upon the speed of your Android device, the processor speed of your Android device, as I said previously. Now once this is done, you need to press on go to file and then press on reinstall, because we don't want two Temple Run games, or basically any of the, we don't want two games or applications with the same name, right? We don't want two split applications or two split games on our Android device. We only want one. So then I'm gonna press on yes to start the installation. This will uninstall my previous version of Temple Run and install the new patched or hacked version of Temple Run. So I'm gonna press on yes, okay, and it's gonna uninstall Temple Run and installed the new hacked or patched version of Temple Run with no Google Ads. So we are going to wait. Okay, it's done. Split application Temple Run successfully installed. Press on OK, and then you need to open Temple Run. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. So then you need to open the preferred game or application which has been hacked or patched. And as you can see, no Google Ads at all. So that is a pretty great thing. Now I won't need to face any of the Google Ads, whether they are pop-up ads or video ads or graphical user interface ads in this Temple Run game. And this would work with most, if not all, of Android games and applications. And keep in mind guys that if the application or game is fully offline, then you won't be able to use it, because then if that application or game is made to think that it's offline, or if it's made completely offline genuinely, then basically it won't work, obviously. So yeah guys, keep this in mind. If you're using a 100% online server based game or application and you do this trick on that particular game or application, that's not gonna work out, okay? But if you're using a game like Temple Run or an application which is not fully offline, it is only online for the purposes of in-app purchases, then you can do this trick and make that application or game fully offline, or make it think that it's fully offline, and then you would be able to remove Google Ads completely from it without any issues whatsoever. So I'm gonna die here, and usually in Temple Run when we die it shows an ad, and as you can see it's not showing any ad, which means that the trick worked. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, peace, have a nice day ahead. Bye bye for now.